Maybe up to an inch of snow. The southern parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and even into the Panhandle of Florida. You can see this area right here.
And I don't need nobody.
One of you guys needs to explain the situation that's going on here.
Okay, it's 15 degrees outside. It's been snowing and sleeting all night. The power went out about 5 hours ago?
Went out at 11:30.
About 6 hours ago, and it's now about 30 degrees inside the cabin.
We're lucky.
And we're dying. I just want to find my fucking beanie. Holy crap, everything is just ice.
This is what it's come to. Sit in the freaking truck so we can get some shut-eye.
Some warmth. It's unfishable. We're trying to survive at this point. I'm blowing exhaust out of my mouth inside the house. You're telling us to go fishing. It's like the most miserable thing you've ever done in your life.
Dude, I'm trying to make you guys less miserable here.
How? By telling us to go out in a boat in the 14-degree weather?
Apparently you want to be a little sassy here.
I'm gonna fucking kill you when I get back. Well, we've been to 2 hotels. One had cockroaches on the floor. The other one was completely booked out. Then we drove by this awesome Holiday Inn that Mike found that isn't even completely built yet. So now we're at the second Walmart. We're gonna buy some sleeping bags and go back to our powerless fucking cabin and sleep in a fucking sleeping bag. It's the worst goddamn trip ever. And I just want to go the fuck home.
Putting that baggage on me, 'cause I'm a free man in a free world, yeah. And I'm telling you that I'll stand my ground. It's the mind's reputation to be ruled by the world. And it's the mind's reputation to believe what it's told. And I lost my faith in the law a long time ago. The rich man keeps on by stealing from the poor. There'll be a ripple in the weather, and time will stand still for a second or two. There'll be a ripple in the weather. There'll be a ripple in the weather, and I'll be waiting for that southerly change. 'Cause all I hear is the bad news dripping from my radio. 'Cause the stories that I told drive me to
Yes.
For a second or two, there'll be a ripple in the weather. There'll be a ripple in the weather, and I'll be waiting for that southerly change.